everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your email on Walmart.com account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in walmart.com and press enter on your keyboard. Make sure that you are logged into your Walmart.com account, and once you're inside, click on your human icon or your name at the top right and click on the account button from the pop-up. Scroll down to personal info under manage account and click it on. Soon after you open up personal info, you'll be able to see this information. Click on the edit button right next to your email address and click on the email me option in order to verify your email address first. Open up your email service provider's inbox associated with Walmart.com and open up the email received from Walmart. You'll be able to see the verification code displayed in your inbox. Copy the code and go back to the verification code text box and paste in the code and click on continue. Now simply enter the email address you'd like to change to in the text box and make sure that you are typing in the valid email address. After you are done, click continue. You'll need to enter the verification code sent to your new email address. Open up the new email inbox and open up your Walmart.com's email in your inbox and copy the code right there. Into the verification code text box, paste in the code and click continue. And right after you do that, you'll be able to change your email address on Walmart.com. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.